Sensibility and practicality define the 2021 BMW 530i. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.